Hi, I'm Howard Nelson, CEO of RedShift Energy. We're a Texas-based corporation that was formed to develop and commercialize a novel plasma energy technology that transforms the hazardous waste hydrogen sulfide into a clean and green source of hydrogen. The petroleum industry is under pressure to produce cleaner fuels and reduce emissions from processing. A major issue is the safe extraction and refining of high-sulfur feedstocks. Complicating this issue is the growing demand for low-carbon, low-cost hydrogen required for desulfurization. Proposed U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission regulations requiring disclosure of Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions have created urgency to address these risk factors. RedShift Energy technology produces golden hydrogen, converting hydrogen sulfide into sulfur and hydrogen at a variable cost of less than $1 per kilogram. When paired with renewable energy, the process is carbon-free. RedShift Energy uses a patented plasma method of hydrogen sulfide dissociation that separates the hydrogen from the sulfur. We have 2 patents issued and several more in various stages of submission. The method uses electricity, and because of the favorable thermodynamics of dissociation of hydrogen sulfide, it is more cost-effective than any other viable source of hydrogen. The golden hydrogen plasma system is modular and can be scaled up to meet customer throughput needs. RedShift has invested over $3.5 million to develop the technology, including constructing a facility that safely handles and tests the poisonous gases treating technology. We are developing the 4th-generation system and modeling performance of the system on various customer raw gas streams. Our next step is to construct a skid-mounted pilot and test this minimum viable product in the customer setting. From there, we intend to increase modular throughput and to design arrays for refinery-scale solutions. Our development challenges to reach refinery scale include optimizing the gas handling system and sulfur separation. Our technology has applications across the entire petroleum value chain, and our beachhead market is refineries. 3 million tons, or 25% of all hydrogen produced in the United States, is consumed by refineries, primarily to remove sulfur from oil. 95% of this hydrogen is sourced from steam methane reforming, which produces 8.9 tons of carbon dioxide per ton of hydrogen. 96 refineries have Claus-based sulfur recovery units to process the hydrogen sulfide. Nearly 15 million tons of sulfur are processed annually, which equates to recovering about 1 million tons of hydrogen per year. Environmentally, converting to RedShift Energy golden hydrogen systems could reduce CO2 emissions by over 9 million tons annually. Midstream, most of the natural gas processing plants that can process sour gas use Claus-based sulfur recovery units or employ acid gas injection. 447 gas facilities produce 34 trillion cubic feet of gas, and the largest reserve is shale, another tight gas, which has a higher percentage of sour gas containing hydrogen sulfide. RedShift golden hydrogen systems will increase the value of those reserves. For customers currently using sulfur recovery units, RedShift Energy golden hydrogen systems converts a cost center into a profit center by allowing the recovery of hydrogen for reuse or sale with low capex investment. Depending upon scale and operating profile, system payback is between 5 and 7 years. From an environmental, social, and governance perspective, reducing total facility CO2 responsibility may generate favorable tax or carbon credit opportunities, as well as contributing to meeting company emissions goals. RedShift intends to partner with broad-scale engineering, procurement, and construction firms to engineer, construct, and implement plasma systems along the petroleum value chain, employing state-of-the-art health, safety, and environmental procedures. 2 economic models are available to customers: equipment sale and service, or fee-for-service. The operations funding model will be a combination of secured debt, equity, and retained earnings. The RedShift Energy team has been together for nearly 13 years, developing and commercializing applications of plasma energy and chemistry. Our lead scientist was the co-founder of the Drexel University Plasma Institute and has 10 years of oil and gas industry experience. Technologies from the team have been recognized by grants from the National Science Foundation and the Navy. On behalf of the RedShift Energy team, I want to thank Halliburton Labs for the opportunity to showcase our company.